Do you want to learn how to draw? Have you ever wanted to draw a character, a scene, or anything else that pops into your mind? Perfect. This is the right course for you. After taking this course, you'll be amazed at how good of an artist you are, even if right now you think you're a terrible one. My name is Phil Ebener, and I've partnered with a professional illustrator and artist, Kevin Gardine, for this course, and we're so excited that you're here.
Hi, I'm Kevin Gardine, and I'm so excited to teach you how to draw. In this course, I'll be starting with the fundamentals such as how to warm up, drawing shapes in perspective, shading and light, gesture drawing, color, and composition. I will then take you to the next level and show you how to apply these skills and create full drawings from your imagination. This course also comes with an ebook containing tips, tricks, and exercise sheets that I have personally designed so you can follow along with your pencil as you watch the lessons. By the end of this course, not only will you have the knowledge about art fundamentals, you will be able to create your own cartoon characters, figures, and draw a realistic landscape from your imagination. I've put my heart and soul into making this the best drawing course out there, one that takes you from an absolute beginner to an advanced artist, all while having fun learning.
Whether you're looking to advance your career as an artist or just wanting to learn how to draw for fun as a hobby, we believe this is the right course for you. With our 30-day 100% money-back guarantee, there's no reason to hesitate. Click that enroll button and start learning to draw today.